Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to add your own logo or image in System Properties Windows 10, 8 and Windows 7. Click File Explorer. Right-click this PC, click Properties. Initially the system have no manufacturer logo. Type MS Paint in search bar. Open your favorite picture from the directory. Resize the picture to 120 pixels into 120 pixels. Save as the file to be MP file format. Type regedit on search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Open KK Local Machine. Click Software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows. Click Current Version. Click OEM Information. Right-click New String. Type Manufacturer. Value is your name or anything. Right-click New String, name is logo. Value is path of the last edited BMP file. OK, now exit regedit window. Now check System Properties, logo and manufacturer name appears. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.